Punjabi madhouse cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making amiya or keri bitter Karele, that is raw mango stuffed whole bitter gourds in traditional Punjabi style. Bitter gourds are known as Karele in India and neighboring countries and is one of the most popular vegetables in these countries. It is cooked using many different recipes to create various tastes. Bharwan Karele, that is stuffed whole bitter gourds, are among most liked styles of bitter gourds dry curries. Today we are cooking whole bitter gourds in traditional Punjabi style. We have grown up eating this ultra delicious and no bitter at all variety of stuffed whole bitter gourds. You also cook bitter gourds using this traditional Punjabi recipe. Not only grown-ups but youngsters are also going to love it for sure. We are cooking 500 gram fresh bitter gourds, which are sufficient to serve 4 people as main dish. Cut and discard both end tips of all gourds. Use a sharp knife to scrub or peel off rough skin of all gourds. Do not discard peel, it will be used in making onion masala. Also cut slits on one side of gourds throughout the length. Peel the skin and make slits on all of gourds. Now take a large pot which is half filled with water. Add 2 or 3 teaspoons full salt into water. Place all peeled bitter gourds in salty water and keep aside for soaking for at least 2 hours or more. Now place all of peel into a bowl and sprinkle with plenty of salt. Mix well and keep it also aside for at least 2 hours. Salt removes the bitterness of bitter gourds. Peel and grate 1 medium to large size amiya or keri, that is raw mango, just before cooking time. You may use dry raw mango powder in case fresh raw mango is not available. Transfer grated raw mango into a bowl. Season with 3/4 teaspoon or to taste salt, 1/2 teaspoon or to taste red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon PC haldi, that is ground turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoon dhaniya powder, that is ground coriander seeds powder. Mix all seasonings well into grated raw mango. This is filling, ready to be stuffed in whole bitter gourds. Drain bitter gourds from salty water after appropriate soaking and wash thoroughly while rubbing under running water to remove excessive salt, and then squeeze out all of excessive water also. Place all of peel in a sieve and wash thoroughly while rubbing. Squeeze out excessive water and salt from peel also. Keep aside for a while. Stuff washed bitter gourds through slits with prepared raw mango filling. Equally divide and stuff all of filling into gourds. Now wrap all stuffed gourds with cotton thread tightly to seal the stuffing inside gourds. This is the traditional Punjabi style and you will find using it by many Punjabi families, especially in villages and rural areas of Punjab. Placing thread bundle in a cup helps keeping it clean and make it easy to wrap around stuffed gourds. Wrap cotton thread around all gourds to secure filling in. Now put a wok over medium heat with enough cooking oil in it for shallow frying. About 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch depth of oil is sufficient. You may deep fry these gourds also to save time, but in that case you will have to use quite large quantity of oil, and after frying bitter gourds you will be left with large quantity of used oil, which will have strong bitter gourd flavor and you will not be able to use that oil in your regular cooking. Carefully place stuffed bitter gourds in hot oil one by one. Reduce heat to medium-low and shallow fry gourds on one side for 4 to 5 minutes at medium-low heat. Use a pair of tongs to flip over sides of bitter gourds and fry on this side also for another 4 to 5 minutes, and so on. Keep on flipping after every 3 to 4 minutes and fry gourds on all sides evenly until skin of gourds turns brown in color. It might take 25 to 30 minutes in all at medium-low heat. Frying at medium-low heat is a must to cook bitter gourds and tender their skin. Start draining gourds which have gone brown. Smaller ones will get browned earlier as compared to larger gourds. Drain all gourds and keep aside for a while. Remove all of oil from wok and clean the wok. Put it again on medium heat and add about 2 tablespoons of used oil into it. You may use remaining leftover oil in cooking gourds next time. Now add washed, drained, and squeezed bitter gourds peel into hot oil. Stir and sauté for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Sauté until peel starts to turn brown. Now peel and add 3 or 4 medium-size onions cut into large chunks into wok. You may cut them directly into wok as we are doing. Stir to mix with peel and sauté. For 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Sauté until onion flakes separate and turn translucent. Reduce heat to medium-low and season onions with salt to taste. 1/2 teaspoon haldi powder, that is ground turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon, or to taste red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon dhaniya powder, that is ground coriander seeds powder. Also add peeled and grated 1 small size fresh raw mango. You may use amchur powder, that is dried and ground raw mango powder, in case fresh one is not available. Stir and sauté for 2 minutes on medium-low heat. Transfer masala onions into a bowl and keep aside for a while. Now add 2 tablespoons fresh malayi, that is fresh milk cream, into same wok. Also pour in 1/4 cup milk and increase heat to medium. Stir to mix cream well into milk. Place fried stuffed bitter gourds into creamy milk. Cover the wok with its lid and cook, covered until milk starts to simmer. Reduce heat to medium-low and cook covered for 3 to 4 minutes on medium-low heat. Remove lid and flip all gourds onto other sides. Cover the wok again and simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes, and so on. Continue to flip gourds after every 2 to 3 minutes of cooking during next 4 to 5 minutes. Cook until all of liquid evaporates. Now add prepared masala onions into wok. Stir gently to mix masala onions with tender bitter gourds, which are no more bitter at all now. Cook while mixing for another minute and turn off the heat. Transfer all into serving bowl. You may remove threads before serving or may serve as it is so that individual eater would do it. Serve delicious amiya or keri Karele, that is raw mango stuffed bitter gourds accompanied with naan roti or parantha, and enjoy. We hope that you have liked the recipe. Please click on the like button below and write your views on it in comments column for sure. Your feedback is really very important for us. Also click on our photo on screen to subscribe if not subscribed to our channel till now. Thanks.